angibingelele bafowethu lo okhulumayo uLucky Lihlolo Lomansu, Tshishomkhulu Solwandle High School in the Lower South Coast, egama lakhe to be specific. Njengoba nibona namhlanje sine sport day sivakashelwe isikole uMlazi Comtech from eMlazi. We had a trip last year, went to Comtech, trying to encourage abantwana to love sports and bring back the love of sports ezikoleni. Ngoba besibona ukuthi mhlawumbe we are results driven kakhulu at schools and we neglect those that have talent in football, hence their careers agcina mhlawumbe ebholeni engasakwazanga ukuthi aqhakaze kakhulu. Kodwa ke njengolwandle siyasichaza ubudlelwane esinabo noMlazi Comtech. Namhlanje njengoba nibona, it's a sport day. The boys, the girls are playing soccer, there's netball as well. We're hoping that as we do more of these activities, we shall invite more people from outside to sponsor these activities so that our kids will be encouraged. Next year, it will grow bigger and invite scouts from our local football clubs and the lower divisions to come scout for talent, see talent, and maybe in the near future we shall see the young men playing here as professional footballers in South Africa, going to an extent of playing for Bafana Bafana. Siyabonga kakhulu ukusebenzisana ko-teacher, sport organizers, the whole staff sasolwandle to ensure that this day becomes a success. Thank you very much.
Okay, lo khulumayo Mr. Shando, principal of Mlazi Comtech. Sisolwandle High School sivakashile la. Sizodlala ama-sports, senze debate. Ukuhlangana kwethu kukhulu kakhulu, siqale last year ukuthi sihlangane. Asihlangani kuphela nje ngendaba zesikole. Even no-teacher bethu sebehlangene from different subjects la bethelekela khona nangolwazi. So ukwazana kwethu kuyaqhubeka phambili. And we are so happy that we are actually here because we know indaba sports is very much important. It's part of nation building. And abantwana kubalekile ukuthi badlale sport because sport siyalekelela even like discipline ukuthi abantwana bangangene emweni zokuthi bagcine sebelandela izinto ezingama drugs lezinto nje ezibhedayo esizithola endaweni esihlala kuzona. So siyakujabulela kakhulu. Sikhona ke la egama lakhe namhlanje. We are hoping ukuthi ke egcineni inqubekela phambili izoba khona between the two schools. Siyaqhubeka kakhulu but sports nje sidlala indima enkulu kabi. Even abantwana bethu ukuthi ke abanye abantwana uma bephuma ezikoleni bagcina sebethola amathuba amahle ukuthi bafukule nemindeni yabo babe right empilweni, bangahlali nje emgwaqweni ungabi khona into abayenzayo. So that's why ke sila sijabule kakhulu kuba khona la and we are hoping we are still going to continue doing that. The competition is always there. Yes, we are trying our best and they are trying their level best, but definitely we are going to win at the end of the day because we are not here just to add numbers. We are just here to come and play. But that's the spirit that we actually have as a sidlala nje nabantwana.
Sanibonani bafethu, uthisha ongena moto lo uthisha uHlophe bambiza use Hlophe la Olwandle High School. La sisolwandle High School. It's a sport day where esihlanganisa khona abafundi. Namhlanje sivakashelwe Mlazi Comtech. Sizohlanganisa iPortshepstone. Yabo ukuthi iNorth Coast neSouth Coast. Sizohlanganisa nje bafethu ukuthi sizwane. We are building a relationship amongst the school. Everything is extramural activities. Siya build nje bafethu. Bafethu banye bathi sishongena moto, banye bathi umphethe, banye bathi umraka, abanye bathi spicy sausage. Bafethu, I'm so happy ukuthi ngikhona nisivakashele 1KZN. Bafethu siyancenga ukuthi sibuild le relationship esiyakha nezinye izikole. Bese bafethu ngiqale before ngikhuluma angibonge ama sponsors akwazile ukusponsorisha lawa asevele khona. Bafethu, in this school sine lab esivele complete. Today sinenye futhi i-computer lab esakhelwa yona ama-sponsors. For now angakuthanda ukwa-announcer because anginayo i-right okwa-announcer, but ngicela nje bafethu ukuthi niqhubeke nisihambele nama-sponsors come and support. Bafethu masikhuluma nge-sponsor asikhulumi ngento enkulu. Lokho okusemandleni okukhona siyacela abantu basisupport bafethu sisikole ngabe infrastructure ngabe incwadi ama-NGOs ngabe odokotela any program ezokwazi uku-uplifta umuntu omnyama wase-South Africa not owaselwandle kuphela ngoba siphakamisa umphakathi wasegama lakhe all over igama lakhe. Siyacela abantu basisupport umphakathi. Sibonge-ke bafethu uthisha omkhulu waselwandle uMr Mansu. Thank you so much ukuthi asivumele ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza le event yanamhlanje. Sibonge kuwona wonke amalunga othisha, to the deputy principal, to the teachers ukubambisana kwethu. Sibonge to the SGB okuyiyona esivumela ngaphela sothisha siyakhuthama ku-SGB ukuthi basivumele amalungu omphakathi asivumele senze lokhu. Sibonge abantu be-safe okuyikona ukuthi siphephile ngaphansi kwabo bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu uMr Hlophe lo owasolwandle on TikTok The Real Samela, on Facebook uNkumbulo owakaHlophe. Thank you so much. Peace.
Wethu kubaluleke kakhulu ngoba uma siconcentrate encwadini kuphela abantwana banama-talent okuhlukene akubonakali ngabo. So that is why sithe namhlanje siyafisa ukubona indlamu yaziwa kakhulu ke-South Africa, kunamaqembu amaningi ahambile ayaphesheya. So nawo laba siba-encourage ukuthi indlamu it's still part of education and it's something that they can do and excel, as we have seen many genres abantu abawenzayo kodwa bephumelela kuwona. Sibileke nayo i-debate, encouraging public speaking ebantwaneni bethu, encourage ukuthi bakwazi to address in correct platforms the confidence yababooster-ke lokho abantwana bebekwazi ukudebate. The topic was very interesting, by the way. The topic yakhona beyithi mfowethu, is private education worth it? Sabona ukuthi abantwana bakwethu they've done a huge research on whether it is a good thing or not to privatize education and commodify education. Kodwa-ke ngiyathanda ukuthi if such topics zidilwa nabantwana abancane, it will widen their thinking critically. Babone ukuthi what is it that they can contribute in the near future as far as developing public education. Okubaluleke kakhulu iloko nje mfowethu, abantwana bethu bakhombise kakhulu the ability to do research, critical thinking and debate constructively.